Hey guys, what's up today? We have the house and today guys, if we do this vlog of a beach and yeah, there's water. Stuff like that, bridge over there. Some other stuff, rocks, the water, a lot of stuff. It's lots of wood. Ow, lots of wood. There's steep rocks. There's shadowy. Yeah. 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 Oh, look at that. It's like slithering, the water. I don't know if you can see it, but it's cool. Some of this stuff rocks. Whoa, look at the waves. Wow, look at the rock right there. Bunch of rocks, stuff like that. Let's put grass over there, and yeah. Hey, you wanna go cave?
Huh?
Wanna go cave?
Where?
I wanna go cave. What's that? There's forward sticks. It's really weird. Guys, here now. Entering the cave. Ugh. Damn. Sand. Yeah. Whoa. Ugh.
That's cool, dude. They make little fires.
Fires are illegal here.
Huh?
Fires are against the rules. Said. It's pretty cool so far. What the heck is those kids doing? I feel bad for that kid's brother. His brother is running away. The big brother's a massacre. It's a rock stuff. ocean blue. It's foam.
You know, we should go home, get your mama and you guys, come back here.
But what are we even going to do here, though?
Fish. You guys can run around in the water over there.
It's super cool. What?
You guys get in that water a little bit. You guys
Wait. I said, okay, maybe if I'm not dead, will I make it something real quick? No, it's a little naughty. I made the YouTube play button. You can see the arrow to go down. And
it
then
looks like a dinosaur. Watch, let me show you.
I made the rib.
And let me see. Look at that one. Dinosaur man.
Dinosaur. Does it look like a dinosaur?
Yeah, you know what? It looks better in my mind.
Okay guys, looks like that's the end of the video. Remember to like and subscribe and see you next time. Bye.